Mandela kan Mizo Salomon. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Let
as I mentioned, you guys are very grateful to represent both. And I'm very, very grateful to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshua. I'd like to request people around here the space. We're requesting the whole Zapuila unity dance from the Team Tribe one. I don't know, long donut with a face. Sound like that. Official photographer làm chuyên gia không mấy cái lâu tổng đâu ai lâu tổng sắp đất nó sẽ cứu cái thằng lâu thì không đâu được là không xuyên với một xuyên một tiếng bỏ đi.
Thank you very much thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the love and support. 감사합니다. 라고 하신 거 알아? Hey everyone. Well, thank you so much for having myself and Josh and our team here who have came out here. We made sure to visit. As I understand as our schedules may be hectic, but we know that we need to make this visit to show the people that this is the people's champ. Josh is the people's champ. He's the most humble person I've met. We've been on this trip to Malaysia. We've seen so many people. He's always been able, without even drinking any water, he's always been able to have a huge smile on his face. A real champion is a champion for his people, and that's my friend Josh. So.
Thank you for your speech. Before I call off for the presentation, I would like to thank all the partakers for making our program successful with your participation. Now for the end of our program, I would like to request Reverend Joseph Amton for the